Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, at least 50% battery and a quick backup of photos and contacts. Once done, power off the Oppo fully. This prevents boot conflicts. Then press the device-specific key combo, typically power plus volume down or up, and hold until the recovery menu appears. Do this because recovery needs a clean boot state, otherwise you'll get stuck in normal boot or fast boot. If you see the logo, release and wait for the menu. You'll navigate with volume and confirm with power. This is critical for precise selection. First, choose Wipe Cache Partition to clear temporary files. It often fixes boot loops without data loss. If that fails, perform a factory reset only after backing up. Alternatively, select Apply Update from ADB or local storage if you have official firmware. This reinstalls system files. Do this because flashing the correct package repairs corrupt. You finish by choosing Reboot System Now and monitoring the first boot for several minutes. Slow boots can be normal after resets. If the phone still loops, reflash the official stock firmware using the recommended tool for your chipset. This replaces corrupted partitions. Make sure to match the exact model. If errors persist, write down any error codes and use them when contacting Oppo support or service. This saves time and pins down partition or hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.